Okay, imagine this. A 41-year-old former AG sector professional in rural New Zealand, suddenly redundant, now surviving on $70 to $100 of groceries a week. That's not a poverty statistic, it's a masterclass in frugal living. Let me break down why this story isn't just about budgeting, but about a disappearing art form. First off, this woman's entire approach screams anti-consumerist manifesto. She's not buying $10 artisan bread rolls because supermarkets don't stock what she wants? Fine. She bakes her own. That's not just saving money, it's rejecting the entire convenience food industrial complex. Think about it. When's the last time you saw someone baking bread out of sheer stubbornness? This is someone who weaponized her childhood habits into economic survival. Now, here's what fascinates me. She's not just cutting costs, she's hacking the system's source code. Buying 500 g of meat and stretching it into 7 meals? That's not meal prep, that's culinary Jenga. And her secret weapon? The internet. Finding cheap shampoo online, recipe blogs for homemade muesli bars. It's like she's using 21st century tools to revive 20th century homemaking skills. It's paradoxical, right? The digital age often kills traditional skills, but here it's the exact opposite. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Why does this feel so radical? Because we've normalized paying $5 for a single avocado toast. She's out here making yogurt with a $20 machine that pays for itself in 3 weeks. What's the bigger picture? This isn't just about poverty, it's about how modern retail is engineered to make us forget basic economics. Ever noticed how store-bought bread costs more than flour? She has. And she's calling the system's bluff. But here's the twist. This isn't some austere survival story. She grows lettuce, bakes cookies, and splurges on wine occasionally. It's not deprivation, it's curating a life where every dollar has intentionality. And that salon shampoo habit? Perfect example. She's not denying herself, she's optimizing. So what's the takeaway? This isn't just a budgeting tutorial. It's a case study in how to decouple happiness from spending. Because here's the thing, she's not just surviving. She's thriving by turning financial necessity into a creative challenge. And in a world where 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, maybe her real crime isn't frugality, it's showing how easy it is to break free from retail dependency. What if we all started viewing supermarkets as optional, not mandatory? That's the real question lingering here.